If you have a house in Forest Park, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Forest Park, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Forest Park prefer to work with a direct buyer like us, rather than working with more of a traditional buyer who needs to qualify for a loan and kind of go through all the motions like that. So with us, it's easy because we're going to buy the house as is, truly as is. That means you don't have to come out of pocket at all to fix anything or update anything. You don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house, and anything you don't want or don't need, you can just leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. What allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition is we use cash, so we don't need to rely on a third-party company or lender or bank. That's what you're going to get with a traditional buyer. So with a traditional buyer who's using a loan, they're going to have a thorough inspection on your house. It's quite intrusive if you ask me, because they're going to test every electrical outlet and light switch and ceiling fan, open and close the doors and the windows, and basically compile pages and pages of everything wrong with the house that could only be used against you as the seller. They can only use this now to look for extensions or discounts or renegotiate. And then if you survive the inspection, now they have to get an appraisal. And if the house doesn't appraise, they can pull the rug out from under this thing at any time. It's a complete waste of time for you. But in real estate, it's not just time, it's money, because every day that goes by that they've wasted your time with all these inspections and appraisals and everything else, it's another day that you have to pay utilities and property taxes, property insurance, and just a huge opportunity cost. So with us as a direct buyer, you don't have to deal with any of that. There's no hoops to jump through. We're going to give you a fair price. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, and we're going to buy the house for cash. So if you have a house in Forest Park and you want to get a fair offer, or at least just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website. We're founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with buying houses in Forest Park and all over the Cincinnati area. So when we get on the phone, it is an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your closing timeline, because if you need to close quickly, we could accommodate that. Or if you need to set a future date and get some flexibility or whatever you want, we're able to accommodate your needs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house, and if it works for you, great, we'll move forward. If it doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. There's never going to be added pressure or gimmicks or games or sales tactics or anything like that. So if you have a house in Forest Park and you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.